I want my collection to look like an artwork. And to complete that artwork, I needed this bag. And you will see, once it's all done in the new house, I will come back to this video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we have an unboxing to do. We're still living in a hotel because the renovation works are going on and it's so noisy and dusty, and yeah, so this is our location for now. You know, I'm looking forward to a lot of amazing things like designing my dressing room and putting all my bags back into their cabinets, you know, once we properly moved into the house after everything is done. And you know, I obviously wanted to celebrate 50k. You know, if you haven't seen the 50k celebration vlog yet, I think go and check it out. It was worth it. There's so much eye candy in there. So my issue was that this time around I saw so many beautiful bags and I wanted to pick all of them, to be honest. Like the Celine, I was so tempted by the Celine, and guys, just between us, I still think there will be a Celine bag in my life soon at some point, because you know, I'm still a little bit like, I don't know anything about the brand, I don't know about their wear and tear, about the quality, you know, so I think a little bit careful. Design wise, I love the Triomphe line, like it's such beautiful bags, and yeah, I was really tempted. I wanted the pink Barbie bag initially, and then I fell in love with the brown Harrods Triomphe, because I think like that's a perfect bag for like everyday life, no matter if it's winter or summer. It's perfect for traveling. It's somewhat under the radar because not everybody knows that logo, you know. It's old money. Old money aesthetic, the quiet luxury aesthetic. So what's in here, you will have not seen that coming at all, because you know that I've been eyeing other bags from Bvlgari, like the beautiful denim pouch. But you know what, guys, first of all, big thanks to Bvlgari. Again, they are always the best. You know how much I love working with Bvlgari, and you know, I did the beautiful meet and greet, and probably we're gonna planning on doing another event at some point. So you guys know Bvlgari is like the best brand for me, you know, it's love of my life. Guys, I was making a reasonable decision, if we want to call it like that. So I was already thinking about my dressing room, you know, that I'm going to design, and all the bags in my current collection, and I wanted to look like an artwork, you know. I want my collection, once they're in their new cabinets, I want my collection to look like an artwork. And to complete that artwork, I needed this bag, and you will see, once it's all done in the new house, I will come back to this video. You will see what I mean. This bag, I needed it to complete my collection. I really did. And some of you might roll their eyes, some of you, because you know what, guys, whenever I watched videos of other YouTubers who unboxed, like, I don't know, the 10th, the 20th Chanel classic flap, same, like medium size, just a different color, you know, another seasonal color, all diamond quilting, all the same, all gold hardware. I was always thinking, like, why do people need like 10 of the same bags, you know, a classic flap in every single color of the rainbow? I mean, whatever makes you happy, right? I think that's what it comes down to in the end, but I could never really grasp it. But now, don't shoot me. This bag, okay, let's open this box. I haven't looked at it. I haven't looked at it at all. So yeah, let's be surprised together. Some bag ASMR. This is gonna be the third bag of the same bag, just in a different style, variation, material. You know what I mean? So however, I really need this to complete my collection, and it makes me happy. What can I tell you? This bag, people who know me, so first of all, guys, you get like your paperwork, your raincoat and everything. You know, every Bvlgari bag comes with a raincoat. I love that. Not a lot of fashion houses do that. So, okay, let's put this here. For all of you who know me, you know what's in here. because I've said it several times in other videos as well. This is my favorite bag in the world. Like, honestly, I love this bag so much. It is the most me bag in the universe. No, there's a car beeping. It's the most me bag in the universe, and this is the third one now in my collection, and I will tell you why. First of all, yes, Bvlgari gold plates their hardware. I got a comment recently saying, oh Vina, that's not true. I asked my local Bvlgari SA and they said it's not gold plated. Yes, it is gold plated. It's really shocking to me that many SAs don't know about their own products, you know? I mean, you would hope that if you work with somebody that they would tell you about like everything they know about the item. But yeah, these bags, especially if you have the really yellow gold hardware on Bvlgari bags, it is 24 karat gold plated. So yeah, okay, let's do this. I haven't seen it either. Hello. Yes, I needed this in my collection to complete my collection. This is the Bvlgari Serpentine Tote, top handle tote bag. And yes, guys, you know I have this bag in black. I have it in the beautiful crystal edition, that's super rare. And yeah, now I got it in the white, well, the cream, the beige cream, let's call it cream, in the cream as well. And I really needed this to complete my collection. Once you see my dressing room and my cabinets, you will know why. Don't shoot me. I don't know, I've been playing with this thought for a long time that it would be so ideal to have all three of them. And I mean, they come in a variety of colors and variations, and they make them in exotics as well, in like Karong and Stingray. Yeah, for now I have the black, the cream and the crystal, and that's just so me. And guys, I you know, in the name of the bag, I show you my outfit in a second and how the bag looks like. But first of all, let's get a close-up of this. So, oh, look at the handle and the little red eyes of the snakes. I hope you can see it because I'm currently obviously only filming on my phone because I don't have any of my equipment with me. So there it says Bvlgari, and yeah, it is just one compartment. However, you do have 2 card slots there at the back, which is quite nice. And this is my second ever only white bag, because I have my Ferragamo Gancini bag in the white or the cream as well, and now this one. And I you guys know me, I BB my bags, you know, and I will be super careful. But obviously if you have a bag like this, your thoughts are even more with the bag because you don't want to get it dirty, right? So yeah, okay, let's do this. So the stickers are actually still on. Really cool, so I'm gonna take them off in a second. Can you see that? I hope so. And let's see what's in here. So we have more paperwork, I guess, and then we have oh, obviously, yes, how could I forget that? So more paperwork. They all come with a ship, by the way, that Bvlgari can read, and you know, you always know who the owner of the bag is. So if you buy a pre-loved bag, you know, you can see who the original owner was and when it was sold, where it was sold, etc. So it's really good in terms of you know, making sure that your bag is authentic. You can always just go to Bvlgari and let it get scanned, and then they can tell you more. So obviously those bags come with a strap, but guys, to be honest, you can imagine it, right? I'm not gonna take it out. It's in this beautiful felt. I'm not gonna take it out now because I do not wear these bags with a strap anyway, because I think that just ruins the look. This is the way it's supposed to be, super chic and sophisticated, and you know, a little handheld bag. I show you my I show you modeling shots now. But yeah, guys, I think other than that, that's it. Hello, lovelies. Yeah, so this is the only mirror we've got, so we have to work with this. I don't know what's happened recently. I love white or cream, you know, and I think I want to buy more clothes in this color as well. I got like a dress now. I got this set. This is like a really nice skirt. and this very casual top. However, I think it looks still very chic if you dress it up properly, with a nice bag and obviously maybe a statement pair of earrings, you know, and then nice pair of sunglasses as well, obviously. So yeah, I don't know, what can I tell you? I love this, can't wait to wear it. Yeah, just love this look, you know, semi-casual, semi-chic. I don't know how to describe it better. And you're good, you're ready to go. And this dresses elevates the entire outfit, if you ask me. So yeah guys, that's it. Let me know if you've got any questions. Let me know if you've got one of those bags, because it's the best bag in the universe. And yeah, I see you soon, guys. Yeah, do you know that feeling? That new bag feeling. And yeah guys, always share with me as well what your recent purchases were, you know. I love hearing that. And so we can all enjoy our bags together. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, and it's a real disease, guys. That never ever ends. I mean, who knows? Let's see. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I see you again very, very soon. Mwah! Bye!